this is the center part. I'm actually going to go in and part my hair in the center, and I want to use like some of my own hair as baby hairs. So I'm going to leave out just the front part from the wig cap, and then I'll set this down. So I'm just going to leave this little bit out, put my hair back, put the wig cap on, and set down the baby hairs, and then I will put on the wig. I flatten my hair up onto my head like this, and then I put the wig cap on from the back. And there we go. And I tuck everything in and get it up close to my hairline. I'm going to use this Perfect Edges from Cream of Nature. I'm going to set them down, and then I'm going to put on the I put my wig cap, or I put my wig cap. I put my wigs on back to front just like my wig caps. I loop the back part up under my ponytail. Okay. Now I'm just going to set this right where my natural hair is. Oh, this is super cute. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to clip her in. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on the hairline into mine, so that just to blend in my actual part. So I'm just going to go like this and then go back so I can blend my part in there. Okay, and then I just sort of rub that in a little bit. Again, this is my real hair here, so I'm going to pull that down a little bit. I do have a spot on my own real hair in the front that is thin, so I am going to just add a slight bit of powder there, just because in general I would do that because my hair is thinner there. And I'm also putting powder on what's called the knots, which is this line here of the lace. This is what it looks like at the end. I mean, this is so dang cute. I'm liking this so far. Gonna put a little bit of volume up in here, and then I'm ready to go. Oh my goodness, I am loving her. So what do you think? Do you like her? All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.